How to see who liked your playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I've got you the steps on how you can see who has liked your playlist on Spotify. Well, first things first, if you open up Spotify, simply go ahead and open up Spotify, head over to your library and you can see your playlist. If you have your playlist created and someone has liked it, how you can view who has liked it. Now the trick here, or what you have to understand, is that unfortunately, Spotify does not currently offer a feature that allows users to see who specifically liked their playlist. This means you can't see a list of users who have liked your playlist, you can only see the total number of likes for your playlist. While you can see who follows your playlist, you cannot see who has liked it at all. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe. Hope this has cleared you up. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments below down below if you have any further issues as well.